Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have two figures, original and enlarged. Start by selecting clear matching vertex pairs. Use at least 3 pairs, but 2 suffice to locate the center. Immediately draw a straight line through A and E and extend it both directions, then draw a straight line through B and extend. Use a ruler. Press lightly so you can erase later. Once done, these extended lines will converge near the dilation center. Make sure the lines are long enough to meet without ambiguity. Now focus on where those extended lines cross. The intersection of the AE and BB lines is the center of enlargement because dilation radiates along rays through corresponding points. Once you identify that intersection, draw the third ray CC to confirm. It should pass through the same point. Then measure the distance from the center to a vertex and to its image to calculate the scale factor. The ratio distance, center right arrow image, divided by distance, center right arrow original, should be consistent for each pair. Finalize by confirming every corresponding vertex line passes through the same point and compute the scale factor for assurance. Once done, label the intersection as the center of enlargement and record the scale factor. If the rays don't meet due to drawing error, redraw with more precise point placement and extend the lines further. If still off, use the third pair for a majority decision. One key troubleshooting tip: small marking errors cause big shifts, so remeasure points and use a sharper pencil or a straight edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.